How to fix Binance login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily fix if you're having problem with your Binance application login. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Binance app on your phone, and you'll see the sign up or the login option at the top right corner. Just tap on it and you'll be taken directly to the sign up page. But if you're having trouble logging in or having problem signing in, then in that case, what you can do is go to your settings first and then head over to app settings. And on your app settings, you're just going to go ahead and find Binance. Tap on Binance and then head over to permissions. Make sure that all of these permissions are allowed because the app requires them to run smoothly. And then go back. Now you just have to tap on the storage settings. Click on clear cache, and if you want you could also try to clear all of this data, but you have to note that your saved information will be lost in this process. So after you've done that, you're going to head over to the battery uses, make sure it's unrestricted. And once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and force stop the app because the app might be running in the background and consuming a lot of battery and memory. So you just want to quickly force stop the app to restrict any background activities as of now, and then try to log back in again. And after doing all of this, you should be able to log in without any problem. So let's just try this. I'm just going to head over to my Binance here. So once you get here, you just have to enter your phone or email, tap on next, and then simply log into your account. Or if you want, you could just continue with your Google account as well. And you should have no problems. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.